guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing / product try with Monite Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. They sent yo girl a whole package. I'm super excited to be collaborating with them today to show you guys their full like eyeliner and eyelash kit. I have no idea what's in this box. I know they were sending me a bunch of stuff to try out for you guys, so I wanted to kind of keep this as like open as possible and not really go into the products, so that I was just trying this out for the very first time, looking at these products for the very first time. So I wanted to not open nothing. The only thing I did was just take the tape off the box so that it's easier for me to open it on camera for you guys. The products are cruelty-free, vegan, and protein-free. I never say that right, but just so you guys know, this is cruelty and vegan. Okay, so I mean cruelty-free and vegan. So I did my makeup. I look kind of crazy because I don't have any like lashes, mascara, anything on my eyes. So I look real cray right now. So let's go ahead and get into this kit. But before we do, don't forget to click down below and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Definitely share to your friends, your family, anybody, your aunties, your cousins, whoever you think may enjoy some of the content on my channel. Opening the box. Ooh, so cute. This is what it looks like in the inside. And it says 10-day lashes. Ooh, so it's 10 days of continuous wear with a single proper application, 100% waterproof, safe for long-term use. I am excited about this. And they packed it so nicely. So there's like a little sticker. Ooh, I guess you guys may want to see the full. So this is the box that I think all my goodies are in. Then at the bottom, there's, I think it's a card in here. And then there's like all the little string stuff that Zara likes to play with. And a bubble envelope. So I'm not sure what this is for yet. So maybe the card, when you pull it out, super fancy. Like, this is fancy. Instructions for lash application. Oh, okay. We're probably going to try this later today because I have to go wash my face, and I thought I was gonna be able to do this in between Zoe starting her class. Okay, so and then it has some safety instructions, but I'm glad I opened this because it does have like lash glue, which I'm looking at right here on the instructions, and I want to test that out on my skin before I put it on my eyes. But this box, guys, never gonna put that back how it was. This is so fancy. I feel so special. Okay, so this is LED hand mirror. Ooh, there's a hand mirror. It is like, ooh, one of my guilty pleasures. I love taking the plastic off of new things. There's batteries in there. Look at that. I don't want to blind you guys, but it has lights, and then you turn it off and on. That's super cute. Maybe like if you're like in a really dim place, but right now it's not really having much effect with all the lights going on. That's cute. Ooh, there's a cute pouch. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of little things in here. Ooh, okay. Hold on. These are nice. And they have like the logo. This is a eyeliner, the Magic Stick eyeliner. Oh, it's very thin. Oh, I like that. I like how you can do like really thin lines, but then you can do like, I'm covering my face. There you go. You can do really thick lines and really thin lines. I like that. And it has like that foam. So this is my favorite type of liners to use because they're really easy to use. This one's called the Magic Liner. Wait, what's the difference? We'll see. Let's see. Okay, this has a white tip at the end, and this one has a nothing tip. So I wonder if this is like the glue. So I'll read on this in a second. I don't know the difference between, this says clear. Oh, it's like a glue. It's kind of sticky. So the clear one's kind of sticky. But the eyeliner itself, it's not fully dry. It's kind of tacky too. So we're gonna see, and it dries pretty fast. And the last thing that was in there was this little cutie. This looks like the actual glue for the lashes. Ooh, that's really pretty. I mean, the line, like you can make a really thin line. Like that's this one. There are 3 boxes. They don't have a name. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh, those are pretty. This one is another. Ooh, see, I like these. These are like my style right here. And these are cute too. These are like really simple. So all of these lashes are really individual strips that you may apply on. We're gonna get into the instructions because I have no idea. Now what the bubble envelope is for, I'm not 100% sure. This is a Magic Stick adhesive liner. And this is also a liner. It's supposed to be adhesive. It's supposed to be sticky. I can't do this until I remove my makeup. So I'm gonna go remove my makeup and I'll be back to film the other part. Okay guys, so I'm back. I washed my face. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes. Zara, the kids are here, so you guys will hear her in the background. Trying to decide which lashes to apply, and I think I'm gonna go for something kind of dramatic. So I think I'm gonna go with these guys here. So we're gonna go with those, and I have the goodies here. So I have the lash glue, the mirror, and the other wands, which these are good for like temporary, but I was trying them out earlier and they didn't stick as well as I wanted them to, so we're just going to use the actual lash glue, and we're just going to put some lash glue probably on the top of here and then go from there. Got the tweezers, they were on the other table. So I'm going to take the lash glue and just add some to the tray here. And you have to remember you have to work backwards, so this lash is for this eye, not this way, because then you'll put the wrong lashes on. So I'm gonna put some glue on the tray. Okay, so I just did the first eye, and maybe I have just small eyes or something, but I couldn't get the last one to fit. I think I have like a little gap in between this one and this one. So that's probably the problem, but I don't want to take it off because then I have to use oil and it's going to take all the lashes off. But overall it looks good. I guess I'll keep it like that. I guess I just have like small eyes. I don't know, because I got it really good on the outside there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this eye real quick. Okay, so yeah, the same thing happened with this one. I left one out because I just can't fit it. I guess I just have small like eyelids, lids, eyes, I don't know. But overall they look way better than my lashes. So I like this. I like this. Okay, so I'm not wearing makeup today. I usually don't wear makeup during the week. I have a lot of homework to do, so I'm probably just gonna wear them for my day-to-day life because that's more realistic. And I'll check in like every couple of days. It's supposed to be 10 days, so I'll check in every couple of days and then show you guys what they look like. So I'll see you guys in. Okay guys, so this is the lashes. This is 2 days in. They did, Zara's over here. It did feel kind of weird to like sleep on them because I'm not used to having something on my eyes. So this is how they look 10 days in on my phone. Yeah, so we'll see how they look in 2 days. Okay guys, so this is day 6 and you can see that one's falling off. This one is coming off. I obviously have to wash my face and stuff, but yeah, it's not too bad for day 6. So I'm gonna come back for the last day and show you guys how they look, especially since I didn't wear any makeup. But I can just tuck that, you know, glue that back on there, you know, and it'll be okay for, you know, the rest of the day. So yeah. Hey guys, I got you kind of close. Today is the last day. Today is day 10 of the lashes, and I guess I can say that I like them. One did fall off. The end one, I forgot to glue it back and I didn't have time. And as you guys can see, I stayed no makeup pretty much the whole time because I'm busy and I don't wear makeup throughout the week. But yeah, they last. This one's still coming off a little bit, but they last. And that one just fell off, but you know, it's not that bad, is it? It's not that bad. But I like it. So overall, I think it's nice, cool product. Yeah, so I would definitely wear these a little bit more often. I didn't think that I would like them as much as I do. I have to be blunt with you guys. I did try them out before and I wasn't feeling it, but I like them a lot more now that I was able to actually use the real glue and get them on properly, because these feel way better. I mean, it's a little jank right there, but nobody perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave everything in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.